who are you?
Sanjay.
You're Sanjay? And where's the snake?
Right here.
Oh.
That's him.
Hi, snake. No, the snake is nice.
No. Baboons. Baboons,
Oh, they did on Sanjay and Craig?
Sanjay, oh, this.
Do you want me to download new episodes for you?
One week.
The Halloween one?
Yeah.
Okay, if they have it.
No.
Hey, what did you do today?
There's a dick.
Today, what did you do?
Me dick.
Yeah, well, no, you're Sanjay, and that's the snake.
What dick?
That's the snake.
What dick?
Don't let it fall on the ground, please.
Yeah.
Who did you go see today?
You.
Okay, yes. Who did we drive to go see?
You.
Who did we go to someone's work today?
Daddy.
Who?
Daddy.
Daddy. And
Tom.
did you take the elevator?